Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the different network types and this network types depends on how large they are and how much of an area they cover geographical location. Then personal area network. Personal area network FAN offers to make connection to multiple devices or other equipment under the signal users environment with 10 meter to 30 feet. This type of connection can be done via or wireless. FAN network enables with a few computer device, telephone, video games, console, electronic device, laptop, printer, smartphone, and other wearable computer device connected. LAN Local Area Network. LAN stands for Local Area Network. A network is a group of two or more connected computers. And a LAN is a network contained within a small geographical area, usually within the same building. Home Wi-Fi network and small business networks are common examples of LANs. LANs can also be fairly large, although if they take up multiple buildings, it is usually more accurate to classify them as a wide area network one or metropolitan area networks means. Wireless local area network one. A wireless LAN one is a wireless computer network that links two or more devices using wireless communication to a local area network LAN with a limited area such as home, school, computer, laboratory, campus or office building. Campus area network can stand for a campus area network, and it is also called the corporate area network. Can network helps to link couple of local area networks with a smaller geographical space. Can is larger to local area network, but it is smaller compared to one and main networks. Metropolitan area network man. A metropolitan area network man is a computer network that usually spans a city or large campus. The man usually interconnects a number of local area network LANs using high capacity backbone technology such as fiber optical links and provide uplink service to wide area network or one and the internet. Wide area network one. A wide area network one is a telecommunication network that covers a broad area, that is any network that links across metropolitan, geo-regional or national boundaries. Business and government entities utilize ones to relay data among employee, client, buyers and suppliers from various geographical locations. In enhance this mode of telecommunication allow a business to effectively carry out its daily function regardless of location. SAM Storage Area Network as a dedicated high-speed network that connects shared pools of storage devices to several services. This type of network does not rely on a LAN or one. They move storage resource away from the network and place them into their own high-performance network. SAN can be accessed in the same fashion as a drive attached to server. Types of storage area network include virtual and unfeed SANs. System area network SAN. This term is fairly new within the first two networks. It is used to explain a real local network that is designed to provide high-speed connection in server-to-server application cluster environments. Storage area network called SAN as well, and process-to-process and processor-to-processor applications. This computer connected on a SAN operate as a single system at very high speed. Passive optical local area network as an alternative to traditional switch-based Ethernet lanes. POLEN technology can be integrated into structured cabling to overcome concerns about supporting traditional Ethernet protocol and network applications such as PoE, Power over Ethernet, a point-to-multipoint LAN architecture. POLEN used optical splitters to split an optical signal from one instance of single mode optical fiber into multiple signal to serve users and device. Enterprise private network. These types of network are built in and owned by business that want to securely connected its various locations to share computer resources. Virtual private network by extending a private network across the internet. A VPN lets each user send and receive data as if their device were connected to the private network even if they are not. Through a virtual point-to-point connection, user and access a private network remotely.